Welcome back. We're here with Jim Zinski, President of Machine Sense, and of course Tim Nago, Vice President of Sales. We're here today to talk about the Novatec Railcar pump system, featuring the RailSense predictive maintenance package. And Tim, what makes this so different than any other railcar packages out there?
Oh, thanks for the introduction, Paul. What makes RailSense different than any of the other railcar and loading systems on the market is that we have active predictive maintenance sensors on the units, on both the pumps, the motors, and the filter systems that allow us to track and give real-time notifications to the user and the maintenance people on both predictive and preventive maintenance for the unit. On top of that, there's also a real-time component to this that is providing operational feedback on pressures and vacuum levels, so that it helps the operator in setting up the unit for efficient operation. Jim, why don't you expound upon that some and give them some more information?
Sure. So one benefit of the sensor technology is with maintenance. So these units are usually out of sight, out of mind, and because of that, at times they go neglected. What the technology does is allow the maintenance to be done based on the condition of the unit rather than based on time. And it also alerts the user when that maintenance needs to take place. In addition, again, these units are out of sight, out of mind, and well outside of the factory. And so the operator that's responsible for it has to walk quite a distance just to get to the unit. And then once he's setting it up, he actually has to walk hundreds of more feet to connect the probe to the rail car, and then to be able to set the conveying rate up and get the performance out of it that he needs, he actually has to walk back to the unit, check the vacuum and pressure. But with this real-time gauge, he can see that while he's making the adjustments at the rail car. So it saves him the back and forth and the time associated with that to make sure that he's operating the unit at peak performance. In addition, he can walk away from the unit and not worry about it, because when the compartment on the rail car empties, the vacuum level, the pressure level will drop, these bars will drop, and he'll receive a text alert that tells him that he needs to come back and change the hose to a new compartment and continue the unload process.
Jim, that's great. Thanks very much. If you have any other questions on RailSense, go to www.novatec.com.